Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be giving you a demonstration of Canva, which is being used to create posts, schedule different posts, along with that creating videos. First of all, I'll be telling you about Canva AI. Let's build slides onto any topic. Slides on digital transformation. This is what I've written to Canva AI. Let's see what it does for me. Now it is giving me the option to choose which of the styles I would be wanting. I'll be wanting it to be digital. I'll be submitting it. Now what it is giving me is a length of 5 to 15 pages. What I'm basically trying to tell you is how do I create my lecture videos. Through that also I'm giving you a demonstration of Canva. So this is what it looks like, the slides. Now I'll be asking Canva to create the slides, yet it has given me the content. Okay, so now it would take some time to create the design and integrate the content into it. What AI basically does, it itself takes out the content and the design as well. This AI feature introduced by Canva is revolutionizing the digital side as well. Okay, so I'd be liking this design. I'll be clicking on to use Canva editor. And so the slides have been made. What I need to do now is I need to verify whether the content is right or not. Then there comes the design side, whether I need to change the design, whether I need to add any elements, whether I need to add any text, I need to upload. It can also be the audio or the video. That depends onto you. That is all for this tutorial. In this, what I've tried telling you is how to create slides. This way, you can also convert it into video by adding your recordings as well, by clicking on to record voiceover. And what you'll have to do is you'll have to simply shift it onto download and change it into MP4, and it would be converted into an MP4 version video. You can also convert it into a PDF, a picture. That depends on to you. I can also give you a demonstration of the previous projects that I've worked on to. Let me just open those up for you. Okay, so these are the projects that I've been working on previously. There are different slides, different pictures that I've edited, different videos. Okay, so this is the flyers, otherwise the post that I used to create for Pro Recruit, otherwise the team members, and along with that the videos or otherwise the post for LinkedIn, and also the contracts were created over here as well. So that's all for Canva.